Hello everyone, Chef Marissa Catanzaro here today.
Diana.
Today I'm going to be preparing for you patate rostite con rosmarino e aglio, which is
Roast potato with rosemary and garlic.
this recipe will be my cookbook the next generation. Let's get started.
These are the ingredients that we need. Potatoes, olive oil, garlic, black pepper, rosemary, and salt.
Okay, they're well mixed. Now I'm going to put them on the cookie sheet. You may need more than one because you want to leave it pretty much away from each other. It's so much better. So I'm going to probably put the other half on a different cookie sheet. They're ready to go. I preheated my oven to 400 degrees. Approximately, they take 45 minutes to cook. Here's our final product. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned for my next recipe. Et bon appetit!